and here's what it sounds like without the virtual audio cable. It doesn't really have that annoying hiss anymore. It sounds a lot better. So I'll just go over a quick run through on my settings, seeing if anyone can tell me what's causing this at all. I have actually gone around and looked online trying to figure out what's causing this. I've tried fiddling with a lot of the buffering, but yeah, no one seems to be able to tell me. And I have actually tried using 2 different virtual audio cables on that, and it still does its thing. So I've also got that. The other one, the VB audio, still has the annoying hiss, so I don't know what's causing this. And it's only when I'm using virtual audio cables. So as you can hear, this works fine now. So having a check around on what my settings are. So again, I don't know if I'm doing anything wrong here. I've tried fiddling with these, the buffers. I've actually currently using Adobe Audition, but I've also tried using other ones, and I'm still getting that annoying hiss even with that. So any solutions, feel free to help.